Dear guys, I am here in Sir Ahmed Fall home, and we have finished our lunch. Alhamdulillah, very delicious lunch. Thanks to Allah and Sir Ahmed Fall. Allah give barakat in his risk and life. Now his cousin is preparing a tea for us, and he put the kettle on the stove, and it will take, as Sir Ahmed said, that it will take around 1 hour. And now the party is just begun, so we will have to wait around 1 hour. This is what we call Mauritanian tea.
Yes.
And the cousin of Sir Ahmed is making this tea. He is expert in making of this. So we will stay here and see in the
Taste
end.
it and you will say it's good or not.
Yes,
You need
I
to
will.
taste it first.
Exactly.
Yeah. أول مرة first time he says.
Exactly. So inshallah we will sit and see. We will sit and see what does it like. Thank you. Wow, mashallah. Nice style.
Yeah, he's still